Well, chug-a-lug, this brewski's for you. I tell you, I got a brewski's going to be a force to be dealt with, a barroom brawler.
The bar athlete on his way here to OV Dubs. Very interesting.
One tough individual the old king might need to be taking a look at.
The following tag team contest is scheduled for one fall. Introducing first, the team of Sergio and Rudy Switchblade.
Rudy Switchblade and Sergio teaming up this week to take on the Insurgency. Not seeing a lot of Sergio. We know what the background Rudy Switchblade brings, but quite honestly, I'll root for anybody that could take the Insurgency to task.
All I know, there's not an American in the ring, and I think that includes Ramsey.
Very menacing trio are Omar, Ali, and Bin Hameen. Their opponents, accompanied to the ring by Bin Hameen, Ali, and Omar Akbar, the Insurgency.
Well, Bolin, if you're waiting for me to be nice to him, gas is going to be $12 a gallon. That ain't happening anytime soon.
I think we're close, but $3.49 last I saw today. You're killing me.
And we've heard the words from that man, Bin Hameen, regarding his charge, the Insurgency, saying they have their devil eyes focused intently upon the Southern Tag Team Championships currently residing around the waist of Los Locos.
You had to have heard the interview last week, Dean, in Baltimore. They take pleasure in being behind jacking those prices up, especially here in the Louisville metropolitan area. Cincinnati, they're killing us, man, I'm telling you.
Bunch of shenanigans, if you ask me. Right now, Sergio and Ali Akbar squared off, collar and elbow lock up in the middle of the ring. Ray Ramsey, your referee. Right now, Ali cranking on that left arm and locks up that left wrist.
Sergio from the San Diego, California area, and looking to earn his stripes, looking to cut his teeth. All the best from around the globe come to the Davis Arena in OVW. Rudy Switchblade, a testament to that. He's competed everywhere, all over the nation, in London, in Europe, in Japan, and even in Mexico. Somehow I doubt, though, in the Middle East, Rudy Switchblade would be welcome if the Insurgency's treatment is any
Keep in mind, ladies and gentlemen, I didn't mean to cut you off there, Timmy, but it just popped in my mind. You said Middle East. Any of you all that even have rolled on it, roll up, 1, 2, and Omar kicks out. It may have soldiers in Iraq that are able to get the OV wrestling. You can call them, let them know how they can download us over in Iraq. Anywhere in the world, we can be downloaded. Great entertainment for the soldiers.
Go to ovwrestling.com, download the podcast for the low price of $2, or you can even order the DVDs, including past TV episodes, OVW Old School or Derby City Wrestling. So go to ovwrestling.com today.
Omar being reprimanded by Ray Ramsey. The Irish whip into the ring into the corner, I should say, for Rudy Switchblade. Omar measuring Switchblade.
Omar charging, and there's Switchblade, so versatile in there, able to do everything from technically wrestle you to high fly to just straight up brawl. There's really no way to prepare for one form of Rudy Switchblade.
Right now, Rudy Switchblade with the advantage. Oh, walking that rope. Oh, man.
Well, Baltimore, you called it. You said there's no way to prepare for him. Mat wrestling one moment, high-flying tactics the next.
Switchblade cranking on that left arm, and Omar's feeling every bit of that.
And Bin Hameen causing a disturbance in the far corner. And that's why, as Bin Hameen, his presence paying off in dividends.
I bet if we were nice to Bin Hameen, we might be able to get gas prices back down to the Bill Clinton days of 88 cents a gallon.
Omar tags in, Ali comes in and puts the big clubbing arm across the back of the neck of Rudy Switchblade and steps on the throat of Switchblade.
Maybe if we put Mrs. Clinton back in office, the good old days will return.
What you just heard, ladies and gentlemen, was a shiver going up my spine. Scoop and slam on Switchblade.
That's about what Rudy just felt, a shiver go up his spine as he was slammed to the canvas with authority.
And it wasn't from the Switchblade he's got in his back pocket either.
Man, how vicious is the Insurgency?
Comes down, drops that left knee across the throat of Switchblade, covers him, hooks the far leg. 1, 2, Sergio in to break the hold.
As a tag team, they are flat vicious, and I'm not sure Sergio did his partner any favors there.
They're like a pack of jackals, a pack of hyenas. They pick their opportune moment, they wait, they plot, and when they attack, they attack full out.
This ain't ballet they're involved in. This is professional wrestling, and you do everything it takes within a legal notion to be able to win your matches.
As Omar rakes in the
stress
eyes,
legal.
Rakes in the eyes of Rudy Switchblade. In this, Rudy trying to get his way back up to his feet successfully, so drops down and plants the chin into the top of the cranium.
Bit of a lucky
and Omar
maneuver.
felt every bit of that.
He got lucky.
Omar able to make the tag to Ali, though. Rudy being brought to his feet. In comes peak physical condition, the big man Sergio.
Sergio with that flipper forearm and then an elbow to Ali and a European uppercut to Ali. Here comes Omar. Bad move, Omar. Sergio ducks under it.
Look at the power of Sergio.
There you
Oh,
go.
man. And Ali goes to the knee.
See, Dean, I know you don't understand this, but I got my own selfish reasons that they got to win this. If they win, I'm predicting gas prices drop 30 cents a gallon today. I'm predicting it right here.
The camel clutch on Sergio. Ali hasn't sinked in. Is that yes? Calling for the bell.
I'm off to BP.
Here are your winners, the Insurgency.
The Insurgency victorious. Ben Habib waving the flag at Davis Arena, and I'm sick.